There may be a gap seat in your row.
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401? That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
No. Excuse me. You don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429er.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Oh!
Don't shoot!
Prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I
We
am
know you have
C-3PO.
this rebel spy on you.
I've never seen that creature before. Gotta go!
Don't underestimate my power.
No!
I want that spy.
Someone could get hurt! Light speed, Arthur!
Thruster malfunction.
Thrusters? Are they important?
Star Tours, this is a restricted area. What are you doing here?
I have no idea!
Stay clear of the combat zone.
Combat zone? Oh no! We've been hit! Brace yourself! Nobody move! I mean everybody move! Lean back! Who didn't leave? Oh, to do something! The transmission.
Yoda, on your ship, one loyal to our cause you carry.
The spy.
Deliver them you must, or all will be lost. To your R2 unit, coordinates I will send. May the Force be with you.
I'm afraid we've all just joined the Rebel Alliance. This can't be right.
You can run, but you can't hide. Not from me.
That dreadful bounty hunter!
I have you now.
I have a bad feeling about this. I'm getting us out of here. I know exactly what I'm doing.
Say goodbye, rebel spy.
A sonic bomb! Good shot, R2! Now get us out of here!
Star Tours, we were concerned about you. Is our agent safe?
Safe, but perhaps a little shaken.
We're grateful you made it. You are all heroes of the rebellion.
I rather like the sound of that. Now be careful out there, all of you. The Empire is watching. Pardon me, but how do we get back to it? Star Tours terminal!
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.